Good morning, everyone. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial. In this tutorial, I want to talk to you about slow talkers on YouTube. On occasion, I will find a video that I really want to watch, but when I watch the video, the talker might be speaking a little bit too slowly for my enjoyment. In other words, I want to turn a 5-minute video into something shorter. So how do you work with that? Well, when you're in YouTube on your desktop, you can come over here and click on the settings button right here. And in settings, we have some different options. The only one I'm going to talk about right now is the playback speed. And to illustrate a point, I'm going to click on this and show you that you can change the playback speed to whatever you want. So I'm going to double this. And then I'm going to play my video.
Is my father, and he has an iPhone and an iPad, and on occasion I want to share some tips or ideas with him.
So I don't know how well
in
you
this
can hear that,
video,
but
I'm
it
going to show him
sounds
how to make sure
like
the Wi-Fi
you can
settings are
barely
on
hear
on
me
his
because
iPhone.
it's a
And the reason
mouse
this is important is
speaking.
because he lives in an area where when he's in his home, sometimes the iPhone doesn't really pick up the signal if he gets an incoming
So
call.
if you want to change the way you listen to a video on YouTube, what I strongly urge you to do is to change the speed. And again, I'm going to change it back by clicking on settings. I'm going to click on playback speed. And typically I don't go 2 because normally you can't hear it. But if you go 1.25 or 1.5, depending on the person that's speaking, myself included, you might find this a better way to watch videos so you can get more out of it in less time. Okay, my friends, that's what I want to show you this morning. You have a great day. Bye now.